Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a security bot on Discord. First, select a trusted security bot like ME6 or Dino that offers robust moderation features. Next, invite the bot to your server using its unique invite link, typically found on its official website. Ensure you grant the bot the necessary administrative permissions during the setup process. This allows it to effectively monitor and manage your server, protecting it from unwanted activity and maintaining a safe environment for all members. Once the bot is in your server, it's time to configure its moderation features. Access the bot's dashboard, usually through a web interface, to customize settings. Here, you can enable auto-moderation for common issues like spam, excessive mentions, or prohibited links. Set up a dedicated logging channel where the bot will report all actions, giving you a clear overview of server activity. This proactive approach helps maintain order and ensures a positive experience for everyone. For enhanced security, explore the bot's advanced settings. Consider implementing a robust verification system for new members, such as a CAPTCHA or reaction role, to deter malicious bot accounts. Activate anti-raid features, which can automatically lock down your server during suspicious activity or large influxes of new users. Regularly review and adjust your bot's configuration to adapt to new threats and ensure it remains effective. Staying vigilant is key to a secure Discord server. Maintaining a secure Discord server is an ongoing process. Encourage your members to report suspicious activity and educate them on basic security practices, like not clicking unknown links. Keep an eye on Discord's official announcements and your bot's updates to leverage new security features. Remember, a well-informed community is your first line of defense. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book on money management, along with other helpful deals. Your server's safety and your personal growth are both important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.